Are you super excited to create books for Kindle Direct Publishing in a niche that is exploding, that there are tons of demand and tons of sales? Well, then this is the video for you. Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I have a fabulous video for you today in the how to draw niche of creating Kindle Direct books that you may have never thought that you could actually get into. Drawing may not be your thing. You may be like me and not be able to draw a stick figure. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek today into a tool that's going to help you, and I'm really excited about this. All right, let's go to the video. I'm super excited today to give you a sneak peek into this how to draw books tool. It is amazingly powerful, and once you get it, there's so much you can do with this. So many applications, so many niches, and so many ways to customize it for what you want to do. It really is quite amazing.
Okay, future Ashley here, just jumping in to let you know that this application software is open to purchase on 31 March at 11 a.m. on Eastern Time, and the special price will close out 3 April at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So I just wanted to let you know that you're able to get it for a low price at that point in time.
So I wanted to show you the two types of books you can create in here, and you can mix and match. You can do this however you want, obviously, but I want to show you there's kind of two parts to this tool. And the first is it creates very simply. Actually, this is super simple, and all these grids are customizable, but it creates how to draw books where people are learning to draw by drawing in a grid. This is actually something that younger kids use, but I actually have done these as an adult, and I find them for my logical, mathematical brain, I find these really, I don't know, not soothing, but definitely a way for my logical brain to orient things on the page. This, for me, is a great way to learn to draw, for me. So I imagine there's other adults in here who would like that too. So that's the first type. The second type is you've probably seen these like step-by-step drawings, and it uses, they have actual graphics you can use of theirs, but you can take graphics this is one actually I had, and it will help you with a few simple steps, learn basically how to teach someone how to create something. So I was thinking something like this if you were doing how to learn to draw animals with simple shapes. These are like circles. There's pretty simple shapes in here, and these are pretty simple things for younger kids to draw. So I thought these would be really good. But I'm going to actually do tutorials on how each works so you can see how really easy it is. But I did want to show you this first one because this is super simple to show you how simple drag and drop this is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to add a page here, and I'm going to show you how to create that boxed one. And what you can do is you just push this little graphic, it drops in a grid. This grid is completely customizable, and in other tutorials I'll go in and show you that. But here I'm just going to show you the simple basics. You can have, if you purchase images they have, or you can actually do your own uploads. So I have some uploads here. So you can see my little goat there. I'm gonna drop in this little guy and hit insert, and there he is. He's in there. So there is so much you can do with this. And like I said, this is customizable. You can fix it and fiddle with it, but that's as simple as it could be. So you could do these, find some really great graphics to put in and do grid drawing, or if you want to put a little bit more effort, this is super powerful, this tool that they have. And it is a little more complex, and I will do a tutorial, but I want to show you this is something you could create. I never imagined that I would be able to make a how-to step-to-step draw. And what's great about it for me is, like I said, I'm a terrible artist. So when I create these, you get to pick, what they're creating as far as what to draw first. These two circles, like 3 circles, right? 1 big circle, 2 circles. I could probably draw that. This little shape might be a little harder, but I can see it's kind of like, a half circle, a little, maybe even oval, and then some ear things, right? And then horns, and then I'm adding a little beard and feet, and you can make this more steps. I just have a color little picture in here. You could have it black and white, but I did this just like this, just to kind of show that you could color it like this, or or whatever. Add in the little nose, add in the little eyeballs. There you are, and you have a cute little goat. But this is something that I didn't think I would be able to do, but this tool makes it so simple to do how to draw books in a way that I didn't know I had the ability to do. And so I think this is really cool. It is coming out, like I said, Friday, the 31st of March. And I want to tell you about my bonus because I know there's going to be so many people talking about it. But I think my bonus is the best. But I really think it is because it's a few things. So I want to talk about it. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to do a MasterClass that I'll actually put up on my site in April that you can do that will include, it'll be really cool because it has a concept idea and a marketing idea that I promise you no other KDP publisher, no other YouTuber is going to have. I spent a lot of time deep diving into this niche, and it took me like 5, 6, 7 hours before I realized, oh my gosh, this is an amazing way that you could market it that no one is thinking about. They just aren't, because most publishers aren't thinking about this as a method of marketing. So I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to share some concept ideas, things that are really different, really kind of open your mind to what can be accomplished. So there's going to be that. And then there's also going to be a ton of research that I've done with keywords, stats. I'm going to get and do some advertising ideas and products and just a bunch of lists and things that you can use to really ramp up your sales, or either advertising or just keywords, and give you ideas. The last thing, I'm going to do some A+ content templates so that you can create cool A+ content that you can mix and match and use on your A+ content. And then I'll do a video on that showing you how to do that, how to upload it, and how to, specialize this. So I hope that is an awesome bonus for you. I think I'm really excited about this tool, and I hope you are too. Thanks so much. Bye.